Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tire and wheel matchup video with this Moto 992 Folsom in a chrome finish. It's a 20x10 with a negative 24mm offset in these 37x1250 R20 Nexen mud terrain tires. So these Nexen tires, honestly, they're just like an entry-level mud terrain tire. There's nothing super special about them. I would say they're at the top of the entry-level tires. Absolutely, no doubt about it. I don't love the tread pattern. However, it is a soft rubber and it handles decently on the road, and they're quiet enough to be acceptable for a mud terrain tire in 2019. With that being said, these Folsoms by Moto Metal, they just came out and they're offered in a chrome and a gloss black and milled finish. It's a split 6-spoke design, and they're offered in a 20, 22, or 24-inch wheel. So whatever wheel size you want that's hip and up to date with 2019, you can get it. These 20x10s with a negative 24mm offset, they have a 4-inch lip. Now I know it's 3 3/4, call it a 4-inch lip. With that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Thanks for watching and have a great day.